Did you know Python's for loop can have an else block too? It's one of the most misunderstood features, and I will make it super clear in just 3 minutes. The else block in a for loop runs only if the loop completes without hitting a break. It's perfect for search-based tasks or checking conditions inside loop. Here is a basic example that searches for a number and tells us if it was found or not. Numbers equal 1, 3, 5 and 7. For number in numbers, if number equal 4, print found. Break, else print not found. Save and run. We got not found. Since 4 is not in the list, the else runs and prints not found. If we had found 4 and used break, the else block would have been skipped. Let's take one real-world example. Let's say you are checking if a user has permission. If not found in the list, deny access. Users equal Aliza, Haifa, and Hamdan. For user and users, if user equal Elon, print access granted. Break, access denied. Save and run. Access denied. This loops through all users. Since Elon is not there, else runs and denies access. Let's check one more. If user equal Aliza, save and run. With output access granted. Now Aliza in our list. So we got access granted. If part is run, previously else part was run, and now it is if part. Common confusion. People often think else will run every time, but remember, it only runs if no break is triggered inside the loop. Quick recap. For else is useful when you are searching for something. The else block only runs if loop finishes normally. Skipped if a break ends the loop early. If this helped you understand for else, smash the like button and subscribe to Master of Data Science for more Python simple logic. Comment below if you want real world search problem using for else.